At CES 2025, we saw a lot of cool concepts and things that might be coming in the near future from Samsung. How's it going, everybody? KG here from SamMobile. First, I want to get into some concepts that we saw from Samsung, and then I'm going to leave you guys with something that might be coming in the near future. So let's start it off with what we saw first, the Holo display. The Samsung Holo display uses an anti-distortion and anti-reflective technology that produces screens that look like they're floating right in front of you, and the result is really awesome looking. We're talking about an image right in front of you that truly does look 3D. There was a video of a man doing magic tricks with cards in front of me, and I have to say I was completely blown away by what was on display from Samsung with this demonstration. It definitely gave me some Jetsons type vibes if you guys are familiar with that cartoon. Samsung says the Holo display is capable of 3000 nits of brightness, and it definitely looked that way when we were looking at it. Now, it might not look amazing on video or with pictures. It's one of those things that you have to see to kind of believe, and you have to see it for yourself to really be amazed by it. I know that I was. Now let's move on to something that we saw debut last year, but there were more versions of it on display this year, and that's transparent micro LED. Now, transparent micro LED is really cool. I have to say, a couple of the things that were on display absolutely did blow my mind. They had a couple of videos of cats going by on a transparent screen. To this day, I am still amazed when I see transparent micro LED, and I feel like they doubled down on it this year, and it looks better than it did last year. And they showed it in different applications. They even had one thing that looked like it would be in a museum. There's also some things that looked like picture frames, and even something that looked like the music frame from last year. And I could see them using something like this in the near future for a product like that. Though I can't imagine that would be a very cheap product. And speaking of micro LED, they even had a micro LED beauty mirror. And I thought it was pretty interesting, but it was definitely hard to get a picture or video of this thing in action because the crowds that it was drawing was just absolutely insane. I tried to get a picture over a crowd of people, and that's kind of the best I could do with it. But essentially, it's a mirror that has TV functionality. And it can also analyze your skin and give you recommendations based on the user of the mirror. I've personally never seen something like that, and it definitely feels very futuristic when you see an item like that. Now, a lot of what I just talked about is concepts and stuff that we may not see in the near future or just might not be imminent in general in terms of when they're going to release. Now, a lot can change between here and now, but most of this is going to be stuff for the future rather than sooner. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is something that Samsung showed and talked about as being a possibility for a 2025 release. Now, they wouldn't say anything is guaranteed with that in mind, but it does appear to be something that they're definitely aiming for, and that's going to be the RGB micro LED. And let me tell you guys, this technology is amazing. And I have to say, it's one of the things that definitely surprised me at CES 2025. I did not expect to see something like this. It's essentially like a mini LED TV, but instead of mini LEDs, it's using a micro LED backlight. And it's going to be more efficient than a mini LED TV. And on top of that, it has 3 times more LEDs than a mini LED TV. And the end result of all of this, it looks amazing. The RGB micro LED is going to produce colors like you've never seen before in a TV. It absolutely blew my mind with how good these colors were. It definitely popped more than anything that I saw at CES 2025 in regards to color. And the exciting thing about this is something that some of you guys may be able to buy in 2025. And if this is going to be the case, this will be available in multiple sizes, including a huge 98-inch version of this TV. And although Samsung isn't talking model names or prices, I have to imagine that this is going to be cheaper than a micro LED TV because it is using the micro LED as a backlight rather than just being a micro LED TV itself. But I honestly do hope that some of you guys get to check this out in 2025 because it really did look special. Well, that's all for the screen innovations at the Samsung First Look event from Samsung Electronics. But if you guys want to keep watching our CES 2025 coverage, definitely do so by checking out this video right here. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more Samsung content. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.